Number 3 is about of exercise 3.1, that is about divide the annual profit 40,000 of a factory among 3 partners in the ratio 5 ratio 8 ratio 12. So this is the ratio in which we will be, this is the first partner, second, and this is the third partner. So we have to divide the amount of rupees 40,000 among these 3 people. So first of all, we need to find the sum of ratio, and that is 5 plus 8 plus 12, and total is 25. So now the first share is 25 out of 25. How much out of 40,000? So 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. No, 5 ones are 5, 8s are 40, and 3 zeros. So 8,000 rupees is the first one partner share. Second partner share is 8 by 25 multiply with 40,000. So first divide with 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, so 8,000 again with 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 3 left, 5 6 are 30, and 2 zeros. Now multiply 1600 with 8, double zero as it is, 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 ones are 8 plus 4 12. This much rupees is the share of the second partner. The third partner will get 12 out of 25, and how much out of 40,000. So 25 one time, 25 1600 as we did it here. So 1600 to multiply with 12, 2 zeros as it is, and 2 7 carry, 12 ones are 12 plus 7 19. So this is the amount third partner will get. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and share with your family and friends.